Everyone knew that the US Navy hasn't ditched catapults on its aircraft carriers at all. In fact, catapult launches are still the backbone of modern American naval aviation. While some foreign navies use ski jump ramps to help planes get airborne, every active US supercarrier relies on powerful catapults to blast heavy jets into the sky. We're talking about serious aircraft like the Super Hornet, Growler, and Hawkeye. Without that giant push from a catapult, these tactical jets simply couldn't take off with full fuel tanks and heavy weapons from such a short deck. Catapult systems were phased out on non-carrier warships like battleships and cruisers. During World War II, those ships used small catapults to launch float planes for scouting and rescue missions. But after the war, rapid advancements in radar, communications, and helicopters made float planes obsolete. Since helicopters could hover and land almost anywhere, warship catapults disappeared by the 1950s. On aircraft carriers, catapult technology got a massive upgrade in the mid-1950s. As post-war jets grew heavier, old hydraulic catapults couldn't provide enough push. Enter the steam catapult. Developed by the British Royal Navy and tapping straight into a ship's boilers or reactors, steam systems provided the immense power needed for modern jets. Today, the Navy is moving away from steam, but definitely not from catapults. The newest Gerald R. Ford-class supercarriers replace steam pistons with an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS. Operating like a high-tech magnetic track, EMALS delivers a smoother, customized push that reduces aircraft wear. It also allows the Navy to launch everything from heavy fighters to lightweight drones, all while saving fresh water and cutting maintenance. Confusion also arises because the Navy operates flat-deck amphibious assault ships like the Wasp and America classes, which don't use catapults. Instead, they carry short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft like the F-35B alongside helicopters. However, these smaller decks supplement supercarriers rather than replacing them. Catapult launches remain alive, well, and central to American naval power.